So guys, now that I've given you an overview, let me give you a drive impression. This is the tried and tested 1.5 liter turbo diesel. Comes mated to a 5-speed manual and 90 PS of max power, 200 Newton meters of max torque. So let's get going now. We are in this perfect, beautiful location. A lovely road running between the hills and the mountains, and a beautiful lake up ahead as well. So almost makes you feel that you're in some international location. We have much of these less explored places that need to be showcased and explored. So that is the beauty of driving, the way your car takes you to different uncharted locations or unexplored places. Okay, now getting back to the car itself, the Altroz. Now this 1.5 liter turbo diesel is a tried and tested formula, a safe bet in terms of power, economy, efficiency, and even a good amount of torque available in every gear across the rev band. So now they've fine-tuned the chassis further and improved the damping settings to offer better ride quality, as it is Tata cars offer top-notch ride quality, best-in-class ride quality. So they've taken it even further to absorb the undulations even much more effortlessly. Also 16-inch wheels with new aerodynamic efficient alloy wheel design make it much more conducive to offer better fuel efficiency and mileage overall. But more than that, the in-cabin feel is absolutely serene and elegant and classy and upmarket. I think they have succeeded in doing that. I mean, the R&D people explained it to me that they wanted the car to feel one segment higher. They almost wanted it to feel like a sedan. Even the ride quality, they wanted a sedan-like ride quality in the hatch, and they have succeeded in doing that with flying colors. Because look at the ambient light, look at the floating touchscreen infotainment system. The aircon vents are well positioned such that the cabin cooling is much more effective. You also have a power chill kind of a mode here, which actually chills the cabin in half the time. Say for instance, a regular AC system takes around 20-25 minutes to cool the cabin. This will do it in 10 minutes. So that's absolutely phenomenal, especially in hot summers like these. Today is an overcast day, but we are in the summer season. Back in Hyderabad, it's super hot. So in days like these, this power chill mode or express chill mode allows you to cool the cabin much more quickly and efficiently. And then the steering heft. Now this is another important thing that makes you feel and gives you more confidence as you push the car to its limits, especially beyond the triple digit speeds on the highways. The steering feels so planted, and I mean, it gives you so much confidence at speeds upwards of 130-140 kilometers per hour. Because if it was too sensitive, it would be a little wobbly and gives you a feel of uncertainty to push it at that speed. But 150 is a piece of cake for this vehicle, and thanks to the well-oriented chassis, the monocoque chassis structure, courtesy of the Alpha architecture, agile, lightweight, flexible, adaptive platform that has been that premiered with the Altroz, and then of course the 16-inch wheels, which give you a very planted feel for straight line stability, and the superb damping settings which reduce body roll and give you a satisfying and fulfilling driving experience while you're driving through such corners and curves, doing canyon carving on a weekend. So that is the best part, and the pricing is also not over the top. It starts at 6.89 lakhs, and I think this diesel manual will not set you back by much when compared to other hatchbacks in this class. Apart from that, the overall seating, the seating comfort, you also have a neatly incorporated sunroof. All of this makes it a supreme value proposition, because nothing even comes close, be it safety, 5-star safety rating, sturdy build, top-notch fit and finish, world-class equipment, very good convenience and safety features, good tech-savvy features incorporated, and of course a stylish, futuristic and sporty visual appeal that would capture your imagination and capture your senses right from the very first glance. And just look at where we are. What a lovely place. Oh boy, beautiful blue sky, the green mountains or the hilltops and the green pastures, they just transport you to a different dimension altogether. And getting you here is a beautiful piece of engineering like the Altroz, which is named after the albatross bird. So thanks for watching. I just hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Help a solo creator get to 1 million subscribers, and I think I need your support to get there. It's not possible without you, and you can see the effort going into each and every video. So see you guys next time. Until then, this is Dino saying ciao, take care, God bless, and drive safe.